Hey, hello guys, this is Manhar Gupta again with a guide on how to flash AICP 11, that is Marshmallow ROM, on Moto G 2014, also known as Titan. First of all, you need to download the ROM. As you can see in here, that I have already downloaded the ROM in this folder called ROMs. You can see I have AICP Titan M11.0 and open gaps in the ROM. Now we have to flash this. First of all, you need to be rooted to flash the ROM. Now you have to boot into recovery mode. You can either do it by using these shortcuts or the power plus volume button combination. You have to boot it into recovery mode. As you can see, it is booting into recovery mode. I have already flashed TWRP recovery to flash the ROM. You can see it here. The bootloader is already unlocked and the TeamWin recovery. Now, first of all, before flashing the ROM, you must take a backup, selecting these three options and swiping to take a backup. I have already taken a backup, so I will not do it right now. Now, the other thing you need to do before flashing a ROM is a complete wipe of the system. You need to go to wipe options, as I'm doing in here. You have to select advanced wipe. Now you have to select devcache data and do not select internal storage. You have to select cache. You have to select system. Now these four options are necessary before flashing a ROM. These four options need to be selected before flashing a ROM. Do not select internal storage or micro SD card if you do not want to format them. Now you have to swipe to wipe the system. Now you can see the process and it has been formatted. Now we need to flash the ROM. For that we have to go to home. We have to select install. Then we need to go to the folder where the ROM and the gaps are stored. You can also store exposed.zip in that folder only. In my case, it is stored in the ROM folder. First of all, you need to select the storage where you have stored it. In my case, it is in the internal storage. Now you have to click OK. Now you need to go to the ROMs folder or any folder or the location where you have stored the ROMs and the gaps and anything you need to flash. You can see here the ROMs folder. I am going in here. There are two zips that are shown and I need to flash this AICP Titan MM11.0. It is the 4th Jan 2016 built. I am flashing right now. You have to select that zip. Now you need to add more zip like the gaps I am selecting. You have to select this gap. In my case, I have used open gaps Pico version. You can see in here. As you can see, the ROM has been flashed successfully. Now you just have to click on reboot system. can see the warning. Now you can see the ROM is booting. It's AICP. The AICP boot animation we are seeing, and it will take a few minutes to boot. You can see the AICP ROM is now starting and optimizing apps. It will again take few minutes to optimize all the apps, and after that the ROM is ready for usage. You can see the optimization is almost done and AICP is finishing the boot. You can see the ROM has been booted now. Now you change the language as per your requirements. You have to begin. You have to select the services. These are the Google services. Now you can see the AICP Marshmallow ROM. You can see the Moto G 2014 Titan running AICP Marshmallow. As you can see in here. As you can see, the device maintainer is Shivam D and the device model is Moto G 2014. Android version is 6.0.1. That is Marshmallow. You can see